Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give 7 numbers, and then our program will store the 7 numbers into an array, and then the program will check and determine which of the 7 numbers or integers has a highest numerical value, and then its location from a list of numbers in an array using one-dimensional array in C++. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. By the way guys, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my 2 websites. Okay, so we will have a walkthrough here. I have several comments here. Largest.cpp, written by yours truly, Jake Rodriguez, Pomperada, MIT. And then I have 2 websites where you can download free source code. The first one is jkrpomperada.com, and then the other one is jkrpomperada.blogspot.com. You can send me an email at my personal email address at jkrpomperada@gmail.com, which I offer a wide variety of services: computer programming, IT consultancy, tutorials on computers at a very affordable price. So my location is Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, here in the Philippines. The date is September 15, 2022, Thursday, 6:54 p.m. the date of recording. So we have here sharp include IOStream for input-output in C++ using namespace std. Int main, it is the starting point of every C++ program, and then we have various variables here, and then the title of our program, largest number in an array in C++. So in this line of code, using for loop statement, we are asking the user to give 7 numbers. And then in this line of code, list of array of elements, it will display the 7 elements or numbers. Now here, line number 37 up to 42, it will check which of the 7 number has a numerical value. We are still using the for loop statement, so we have here comparison of values here. And then in this line of code, we display the largest element or largest value, numerical value. And then in this line of code, from 46 up to 53, it will check where is the location of the highest numerical value. So we will have here the display of the largest number and then its location. So we will just have a walkthrough here. So don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my 2 websites. Okay, so basically, if you have some questions, what compiler that I'm using in running this program, so I'm using dev C++. Okay, so let us compile and run so that we can check, Okay, largest number in an array in C++, enter first number. Let's say we have 5, 56, 45, 2345, 8, negative 34, and 54. So the largest element is 2345. Its location is 4 element here. Okay, so another example, last example that we have. Okay, let us run. Let's say 78, 434, 3, 2, negative 37, 67, 62, 1212, and negative 6. So the highest element is 1212. The location is in number 6 here. We have here the location element value 6 or location 6, 1212. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you have learned something new on how to write the largest number in an array in C++ programming language, including its location where we can find. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.